Nature is beautiful, but it's also terrifying. Wait until you see number 3. Cherry blossom season, Japan. Soft, peaceful, picture perfect. Tsunami, 2011. One of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history. Norwegian fjords. Silent giants carved by time and ice. EF5 tornado, USA. Winds over 300 km, ripping towns apart. Serengeti sunrise, Africa. Golden light over endless wildlife plains. Wildfires in Australia. Millions of acres destroyed, skies turned red. This planet is as breathtaking as it is brutal. Nature doesn't ask permission, it just happens. If you respect the power of nature, like, subscribe, and share this.